Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your English teacher, Margaret. Today, we're going to look at 5 common English mistakes Nigerians make. Stop saying these English sentences. Don't say I am coming. Say I will be back soon. Don't say open the light. Say turn on the light. Don't say I have reached. Say I have arrived. Don't say off the television. Say turn off the television. Don't say borrow me your pen. Say lend me your pen. Follow for more English tips. If you want private lessons, you can message me for one-on-one coaching. Thank you for watching.